What's the meaning of counteract? Counteract. Counteract.
Counteract. Counteract. Counteract means to act against something in order to reduce or neutralize its effects. For example, if you eat too much sugar and want to counteract its negative effects, you might choose to exercise more or eat healthier foods. The result of counteracting something is that it mitigates or lessens its impact. By counteracting the effects of something, you may be able to achieve a more balanced outcome or prevent harm. Overall, counteracting is an important strategy for managing and minimizing negative consequences.